Yeah, I'm just going for a 4-mile time now. Me and the recruit just catching them up. She just set off, so slightly a bit behind time. But yeah, two of the PT staff taking it, so I'm just joining in. Yeah, just catch the guys up. They're coming around now. And this is where they march when they're going as a squad.
What music is that I hear?
Something to try and make you feel at home.
Keep it together, lads. Close up. Front to rear. Cover up. Get there. Hurry up.
All right, low.
Keep it together.
What's his name again?
Start getting rifle strings out the sergeant. Good stuff. You're good. You two cover off together, look smart. Sati, you're going too fast, Sati. This we call a real soldier, yeah? Sati! How much weight are you carrying?
25 kg.
25 kg.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
that's standard for me.
I'm pouring up this hill.
Yep.
Standard for infantry.
Yep, it is.
That's it, mate. Up this hill, and this hill is steep either, isn't it? Well done, Sati. How you doing, mate?
Yeah, good, you?
That's too bad, good. No, I don't think so, because I think you got one at the top of it.
Yeah, the one just gone through with the female crew.
Yeah.
Yeah, one normally follows the other no.
Let's stay. Yeah, let's stay.
If I go on and somebody else comes.
No, we got the radio. Yeah. Alright, no worries. Yeah, I will. Cheers, mate. Nice. Switch on. I like it. Keep it together, gentlemen. Cover up front to rear. Look up. Keep this gap nice and tight. Come on, switch on. Good. Well done. Well done, Marco. Switch on. Back to the front. Or you guys can swap, yeah? Keep cover up! Start getting together then. So yeah, that's another mile and a half. So what the PTI just did, just stop them, give a quick water break. So just set off just now. So another mile or so into it again. He's going to do another stop. Get them repel, ask if any injury and all of that, and just look after them. Well, that's his job. We got the safety vehicle here just in case anyone go down as well. So that's the safety vehicle there, so in case someone go down, ankle injury or dehydrated. We call it a jack wagon. Straight from a jack wagon, go to the med center and then sort themselves out. So yeah, come on, let's go. Stay switched on, gentlemen. Keep your head up. Look what's coming ahead. It's vital, gentlemen, pass his message on as a one-up. Good, much better. Keep it tight, cover up, straight through it, don't go around it. Keep it together. Good. Alright, one in next. Get to the front now. Off you go. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. So much miles have we done so far? 2.7. Guys, are feeling good? Good? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Keep it going, gentlemen.
Heads up everywhere, lads. Heads up. Wrong.
Keep it tight, close up, come on. Good, well done, gentlemen. Well done, gentlemen, keep it tight. Go on, fill the gap straight away, come on. Thank you, sir. Good doing business with you.
Yeah, I'll follow you in anyway.
Yeah, okay. That was 3 miles a while ago, so yeah, guys, I'm back in. No injury so far, so that's good. Yeah, good tab. I think one water stop. PTI decided not to stop on the second and just bring them straight back in. I think that's good. Let's give the body a bit of shock. So yeah, come on, let's go. Stop dragging your feet. Yo. Second. Stop.
Straight lines. Sorry out.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Too slow, press the position down. Bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight. And lift you up. Get cover off, hurry up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch on, gentlemen. Straight away, hurry up.